Danke bafethu, welcome back to Nkuliso wakhe. Imamelodi Sundowns isayine ama-senior players awu-4 nje kuphela bafethu ku-transfer market. Isayine uBasadeni, isayine uNtsiki Ntshabeleng, yasayina uRisinho, yasayina uNuno Santos. Lama-players lawa agudi kakhulu bafethu. UBasadeni for mina bafethu is the best left back in the country. No one is bigger, no one is greater than him. For mina ngimbukela uBasadeni, ngikhuluma la nge-left back bafethu elikorayo, eli-assistayo, eliya phambili, u-strong ku-defense, u-strong kuya phambili like ayikho i-department aleka kuyo uBasadeni. Ama-team wonke, ama-big 3 wase-South Africa bawamfuna. Even nase-North Africa amanye ama-team abonisa i-interest because iStellenbosch idlale kahle kakhulu in terms of ukuthi sifike kuma-semi-final ku-CAF Confederations Cup. And then uNuno Santos bamthatha leni ePortugal, uRisinho bamthatha ePortugal, uNtsiki Ntshabeleng bamthatha ku-FC Dallas yase-America, but yena uku-loan, akusiyi permanent deal yakhe laphana kuMamelodi Sundowns masithatha ukubheka overall laphana bafethu. Okay, fine. U-eda lama-player lawo, iMamelodi Sundowns i-eda lama-player lawo after uMiguel Cardoso ethe yena ufuna ukutrima isquad noma asikhathi asehlisa asinciphise. Uthe isquad seMamelodi Sundowns isikhulu kakhulu, wahambisa ama-player amaningi. I think wahambisa ama-player awu-11 or so, but amanye siya-understand ukuthi okay bewangadlali. Kufana khona bo-Asquaveli babahambisile oLebo Maboy, oKutsiyo, Sipho Mbuli, oLucas Suarez, oDeruku, Kodisang, oSanele Shabalala, uThabang Sibanyoni. Ngiya-understand wonke lawo ma-play. uThembi Inkosi Lodge siyazi ukuthi abayifikisanga noma ngithi abayilungisanga indaba yakhe laphana, okay, kuya-understandeka. But wa-eda ama-player awu-4, but iMamelodi Sundowns uyishape-ile wayitshentsha overall, akusaseyile iMamelodi Sundowns le siyaziyo. Yes, ngikhulumile ngaye earlier on, but ngifuna ukungena ema-playeni ukuthi uyi-collapse kanjani iMamelodi Sundowns. So kuyawa-release amanye ama-player, khona ama-player angawafuni afana noMaseka, uThapelo Maseka. Akamfuni uThapelo Maseka, akekho kuma-plans wakhe, but uyamgcina laphana kuMamelodi Sundowns, akamhambisi, baya-refuser ukuthi ahambe. Even amanye ama-team wamfuna ngama-loan, no. Usayina iMamelodi Sundowns, angazi ukuthi uyi or iMamelodi Sundowns, but i-Obvious nayo bakhulumile nayo asazi. Basayina uBasadeni, sikhumbule ukuthi banama-left back awu-6 at the time, but still basayina uBasadeni. Into engenzi sense at all bafethu. Siyazi ukuthi uBasadeni is the best left back in the country, but ufika ku-system entsha, i-environment entsha, uzosucceed kanjani? Nawo ama-left back abanawo kuMamelodi Sundowns at the time basayina uBasadeni. uSibiya baqeda ukumpromote umfana from i-DDC team, is one of the best bafethu. Manje ngambukela laphana ka-under 20. uT1 ngike ngambona ku-left back, uLunga ukhona, uModiba ukhona ku-left back, Terence Mashego at the time naye bekhona ku-left back, but manje sibamlonile ku-Durban City. Fine. They were confusing ngakhona uMiguel Cardoso because ufeel i-pressure ukuthi basayine i-big player which is uBasadeni, umfaka ku-right back. Ukubambona apho uBasadeni adlala ku-right back, is he comfortable ku-right back na ukuthi adlale kahle? The answer is no. Bonisa, and then uthembisa amanye ama-player ku-media, ukhulume ne-media, akekho ukhulume ne-media ukuthi uNtshabeleng uzokwazi ukudlala kuMamelodi Sundowns abasize, especially uKutlwano mengekho noMabhena. Guess what? uKutlwano noMabhena babawu-2 bayahamba baya ku-FIFA World Cup which is under 20. iMamelodi Sundowns iyadlala locally, uNtshabeleng still akayitholi i-game time. noMaseko lapha akayitholi i-game time. Kusho ukuthini kulama-player lawo? If khona ama-player kuMamelodi Sundowns sewathole more game time than bona, awekho available, but still awadlali lama-player lawo. But obviously i-call yakhe laphana uMiguel Cardoso, but mawubheka i-trust uyiluzile, like ucollapsise i-team yonke overall. Ngike ngasho uma ngikhuluma ngaye izolo ngathi ngike ngabona noma uKwena sometimes ehlala ebhentshini, but still iMamelodi Sundowns, even though kuney'nkinga kuMamelodi Sundowns ezingaka bafethu, they are a big team in South Africa, but the best team for the past 10 years. They are a team to beat. Masicabanga nje ibhola lase-South Africa overall bafethu, kumele sicabange iMamelodi Sundowns ukuthi okay, laba they are a team to beat. Possibly abangaba-challenger this season, akhona ama-team enza kangcono afana no-Orlando Pirates, siyabona because i-Orlando Pirates asenama-game in hand laphana, possibly ingakwazi ukukhompitha neMamelodi Sundowns or i-dethrone laphana eligini, i-Orlando Pirates ikwazi ukuthatha iligi. It's not gonna be easy because iMamelodi Sundowns iwine ngawu-8 iligi kulandelana, so kuyi-bread and butter yabo. So abantu ba-expected ukuthi ba-ede izinto laphana. Ubheke uRisinho obviously will be catered more then uSantos, i-Portuguese bobawu-2 bazothola i-game time more than amanye ama-player bafethu. Lokho it's given because of badlala ibhola uMiguel Cardoso ali-understandayo. I mean culturally baya-understandana because ama-Portuguese, ama-Europeans. I-striking department sabo like there's no trust ku-striking department. Une-record top goal scorer which is uPeter Shalulile, but ayikho laphana into akanayo i-trust kuPeter Shalulile. Sometimes he-opts ukuthi adlalise ingane laphana ebuya ku-D_D_C team uBennett. Mokoena angisho ukuthi angamdlalisa umfana, if ugood akamdlalise, but-ke uyibhalansa kanjani i-team ama-senior players plus nama-D_D_C team stars. Upromote abafana abaningi, or ngingasho ukuthi upromote abafana abaningi, baningi abajima neMamelodi Sundowns, siyababongela, congratulations. But-ke ngike ngasho izolo uma ngikhuluma ngayo ukuthi usifihla ngabafana. And then amanye but now ama-questions ekumele sizibuze wona ukuthi uBasadeni, as much as kuyi-best left back for mina eSouth Africa, uzibulele, umosha i-career yakhe ngokujoyina iMamelodi Sundowns na? Answer yami nje kuleyo question mangiyibuza yona ukuthi yes, umoshe ibhola lakhe waliqeda nya completely. Why ngithi ulimoshile bafowethu? Lo muntu lo bekuyiBafana Bafana International, and the last days yakhe kuBafana Bafana bekayi-captain yalaphana kuBafana Bafana, ngikhumbula kahle kulama game lawa amanye. Bamthemba uyi-leader leBafana Bafana, wajoyina-ke iMamelodi Sundowns azangathola i-game time. Obvious ngeke baku-select-e kuba kwi-squad-ini uma ungayitholi i-game time ethimini yakho, noma kuthola ukuthi uyabona ukuthi unumber one obvious uModiba. uModiba ushayiswa ibhench uModiba. By the way, uModiba akusiyi ilo i-natural left back. uModiba kahle kahle i-position yakhe i-midfielder. That's his position. That is why me-mark uModiba umbona ukuthi u-easily exposed. uBasadeni is way better than uModiba, but uModiba excella because ukuMamelodi Sundowns bane-system yakhona abadlala ngayo. I'm not saying uModiba is a bad player, bayazi ukuthi why bamdlalisa kuleya position leyo, sekadlale kuleya position for so long bafowethu, so there's no turning back manje, and wenza kahle kakhulu-ke laphana. uBasadeni is the best left back in the country, but uhlala ebhenchini kuMamelodi Sundowns. Was it the right decision to take Mamelodi Sundowns? At the moment, manje on face value, no. It was a bad, terrible decision for i-career yakhe ukuthi kuMamelodi Sundowns. Like i-national team yakhe iphelile indaba yakhe. December ngeke aye ku-AFCON, must-back if izinto azitshintshe, ngaphandle if izinto ziyashintsha. Ngeke aye ku-AFCON, if izinto azishintshi ngeke aye ku-World Cup. Imagine lonke iplayer liyafuna ukuya ku-FIFA World Cup, but as things stand akukho la yakhona uBasadeni. Siyamazi ukuthi ugood, but indaba yakhe ayikho at the moment. uNtsiki Ntshabeleng usayine same thing, kunama-expectations amakhulu naye ukubuya eSouth Africa from i-FC Dallas. Kubonakala ngathi unawo lawo ma-moments wakhe agude umfana, futhi is a good footballer-ke by the way. Ngimbonile, I had to do i-research yami ngimbheke laphana ku-FC Dallas ukuthi what is it about him njengoba eza laphana kuMamelodi Sundowns. Kanti no, is actually a good player, but kuMamelodi Sundowns bane-system e-different bafethu. Ungaba i-good player la ubuya khona, but uma ufika ethimini entsha uthola ukuthi awukho in sync ne-team, awu-understand i-style of play, awu-understand ukuthi maybe ucoach ufunani kuwe, udimandani kuwe, uzithole uhlala ebhentshini. Ngathi as thing njengoba sibona, and i-pressure kuMamelodi Sundowns iyapile up, abahleli ku-number 1 eligini, but-ke because of ama-performances wabo kuma-cup games lawo beba-desperate ukuthi bawathole, bazithola ba-under pressure too much. They cannot test abantu uTsiki, bamtheste lapho ukuthi okay uzofitha kiphi iposition, uzobanikani. Abanaso leso sikhathi leso soku-experiment, and the worst part-ke manje uTsiki udlala i-midfielder naye, but uyakwazi at the same time ukudriftha ku-winger, but-ke akanayo leyo pace leyo compared to abanye abantu abadlala kuma-wingers, abama-winger laphana. So ku-midfielder ukhompitha nabo bani bafethu? Asibhekeni i-midfield yeMamelodi Sundowns ukuthi kudlala obani, so ubone ukuthi i-chance yakhe ngathi i-bad decision in a way naye ukuthi ajoyine iMamelodi Sundowns. So uma uyi-play isikhathi esiningi, as much as iMamelodi Sundowns kuyi-big team, ngiya-understand ukuthi abantu abaningi bafuna i-success kuMamelodi Sundowns because of i-big team kwasha kwacima. I mean, nami for imali nezinye izinto I would go for iMamelodi Sundowns, but-ke kumele ngibheke ukuthi ngizodlala na, kuzothatha isikhathi esingakanani ukuthi ngidlale. Am I a squad player for i-project for i-long term bafowethu, or ngifuna ukuthi let's say uma ngifika ngidlale immediately, ngibe influential immediately because la ngibuya khona bengidlala. So yiwo ama-question lawo kumele sizibuze wona ukuthi, or ama-player kumele azibuze wona ukuthi uzodlala na. uNtsiki Ntshabeleng udlala i-attacking midfielder bafowethu. So kuMamelodi Sundowns niyabona ukuthi attacking kunolokhunjana, kunomfowethu ubani lo, usho ukuthi ukhompyutha no-Allende, ukhompyutha manje ubani lo mjida lo, uSantos. Is he better than those two? That's the biggest question. Ukuthi better na? Well, I don't think so. And no-coach uyayivumela into yami uma ngithi I don't think so because why? I mean ama-appearances wakhe ufike kuqala kunabanye abadlali but sebamdlalele abanye sebadlala ama-game more than yena laba and kusasenama-player angayitholi i-game time. Mkhulisi one of the most talented players laphana kuma-Mamelodi Sundowns akayitholi i-game time. SasenoThemba Zwane unama-injuries akayitholi i-game time laphana njengoba nje kuzoba nzima bafowethu, hhayi kuzoba nzima. Akakhohlwa umfowethu ayikho le nto le awachithwe la manzi and then uMaseko naye siyazi ukuthi wasayina kuMamelodi Sundowns, he was super exciting laphana uma efika kuMamelodi Sundowns bekakuBafana Bafana, but he's been out of favour laphana kuMamelodi Sundowns for some time. Le nto le ikhoste isikhala sakhe, imkhoste isikhala sakhe laphana kuBafana Bafana. Le stop ukuthi bamselect laphana. This season udlale 3 games nje kuphela futhi nakhona ungena lapho nalapho. I think first game yakhe kwaba against iMagesi was promising but guess what, only nje ukuthi bavele bakhohlwe uye wanyamalala. But u-versatile number one, ukwazi ukudlala kuma-position a-different but ukwazi ukudlala ku-right wing, ukwazi ukudlala ku-left wing, ukwazi ukudlala ku-attacking midfielder, kuya nge-coach ukuthi ngamdlalisa kuphi. But masibheka lama-player lawa engiwabalile engifokhase kuwo, Tsiki Musha, uNtshabeleng laphana kuMamelodi Sundowns ngeke adlale, ayikho indaba yakhe at all, ngeke adlale. Ngoba I'm struggling to understand ukuthi okay, if uzodlala umfowethu uzo-replace bani laphana kuMamelodi Sundowns, uzosusa bani kuMamelodi Sundowns? I don't see asusa abanye abantu athole i-game time that much. Mamelodi Sundowns is a powerful team. There's no way I replace Alendo. Alendo is one of the best attacking midfielders e-league. At some point, at his peak, like it's the best attacking midfielder e-league. Welele kusase no-Adams. U-Adams unokuba i-holding midfielder, unokuba i-central midfielder but unokuba advance. Iposition yakhe naye bathi attacking u-Adams but-ke i-versatility yakhe lapha eswini but-ke nje udlala eswini nje kuphela. Yabo ukuthi i-competition inzima kanjani. Mamelodi Sundowns mawubheka inaso i-squad sokuthi bawine i-league, inaso i-squad sokukhompyutha nanoma yiphi team, so that is why siyijaja harsh like iMamelodi Sundowns isikhathi esiningi uma ingenzi izinto because unamalokhunjani uyi-central u-Adams unama-midfielders aguda angaka amaningi, akwazi ukudlala like ama-different position. Une-team super powerful bafowethu, super powerful, abo-Arthur Sales bafowethu, la sikhuluma ngama-superstars. Siyazi ukuthi uMamelodi Sundowns akaqalanga kahle overall last season but-ke uyambona umuntu makalazi or ukuthi akalazi like like there's nothing ongayisho ngempela, uyambona ukuthi uyalazi. U-Arthur Sales uyalazi ibhola and une-danger. Then uMathews uyalazi ibhola but ukugeja kwakhe, I think ukugeja kwakhe kuvele ukuqeda uthando ukuthi hayi ayikho indaba yalo muntu lo, uyageja lo muntu lo, ugeja serious. But mawubheka i-attack eMamelodi Sundowns laphana phambili, ubheke ukuthi ubani abangarelaya kuye. URainers if une-problem cause uPeter Shalulile akanayo i-confidence that much manje because of i-lack of i-game time. Uyawathola ama-game but not njalo, so ubani abangamthemba. I-experience ebashayayo futhi laphana phambili because mawubheka phambili bano-Mathews lo geja kakhulu and then banoThapelo Maseko ongadlali, Siyabonga Mabhena ongakabi na-experience kakhulu, umfana ona-18, banoKutlwano Letlaku, super talent but akakabi na-that experience. And so uLebo Mothiba, I won't win them the league-ke this one. Angeke awashaya amagoli, ngeke abe highly influential. So masibheke i-attack eMamelodi Sundowns, siyabona i-talent elikhona but i-experience ukuthi we can point to this guy, this guy would lead. URainers for me is the best striker e-league-ini, but-ke if akayitholi i-support structure ne-system e-right ukuthi bamsupply kahle, uzo-excela kanjani yena because uRainers. And the coolest thing about uRainers bafethu usenamagoli amaningi kakhulu. I think last bekubalwa amagoli ku-PSL or so awu-75 bafethu, cabanga. And i-market value yakhe seyiyakhula, i-close to 50 million rands manje. Naku-World Cup ubuye ukuyokora, so i-player super exciting, super talented. Uye umuntu engimbona, uPeter Shalulile akana-confidence. Yabona lapha phambili umuntu engathi uzobashayela amagoli vele uRainers, umuntu ombonayo ukuthi uyi-warrior, uyafight. Abanye ba-talented but i-experience bayayileka. So if you have i-talent but i-experience that much to lead the team to greater height, ngeke u-expect ukuthi uMabhena alide iMamelodi Sundowns to ama-championship, like ayiyenzi sense. Usadinga isikhathi umfana ukuthi a-evolve kahle. uReina yes angalida laphana phambili. Ama-midfielders like afana naUthemba Zwane, u-Allende, uMokoena bafowethu, uTeboho Mokoena, siyabona ukuthi okay lapho ku-midfielder-ke bangakwazi ukuba strong, bangakwazi ukuba solid. Yibo abantu ababawinela ama-game isikhathi esiningi. Yibo, yabo i-midfielder yabo e-strong. Yabona iKhoe eMamelodi Sundowns bafethu i-midfield, hhayi they have the best midfielder hhayi in the country in terms of i-experience, because uma ubheka uTeboho Mokoena no-Allende bafethu, hhayi these ones are superstars for iMamelodi Sundowns. I mean uma ubheka uTeboho Mokoena for iMamelodi Sundowns, even neBafana Bafana ukuthi wenze ibukwayo kanjani, uyabona ukuthi i-player ele-exciting kakhulu. Yena no-Allende i-combination yakhe i-good kakhulu, i-midfielders yabo i-good. And then enye into abanoku-excel-a ngayo, okay, i-right back, they also have the best right back in the country, which is uKhuliso Mudau. So and then naku-left, u-right back is uKhuliso Mudau. So akhona ama-position la ubona khona ukuthi okay bamnandi ba-good, but ucoach coach uCardoso i-collapse-ile iMamelodi Sundowns nge-system yakhe e-poor. I think i-pressure is too much, even now explainile ukuthi i-pressure too much kuMamelodi Sundowns. Yeah, is not the one. I don't think he can lead iMamelodi Sundowns to greater heights. Ngingase ngenze ikliphu ngaye kwesi-2 or kwesi-3, but-ke I wanted to get to ama-player. Ngibona ukuthi what is wrong eMamelodi Sundowns masibheka overall. There's nothing wrong ngale team le, but-ke laphana phambili uleka i-experience. Into engiyibonile kuma-attackers, experience iyaleka bafethu. uReina kuphela, maybe noPeter Shalulile kuphela, but abanayo i-confidence kuPeter Shalulile. So if they don't have that kuma-players overall, then they have nothing, because they need ama-goals a-serious for i-team. Midfielder yabo super, ama-superstars, super talent. And then i-back four yabo masibheka, especially oMvala ohleza injured, uMvala namanje iku-injury. Cupido akusiwo umuntu oh yeah, no, wait, Cupido strong kabi bafowethu. Yes, kunokuba nama-flop amancane njengophela umuntu, akusiyi-robot noma akusiwo uNkulunkulu, but-ke hhayi u-strong. I-combination yakhe noMalibongwe Khoza laphana emuva bafowethu i-strong kakhulu, angifuni ukuqamba amanga. And then uGrant Kekana usenesikhathi laphana kuMamelodi Sundowns, but-ke naye as iBafana Bafana International odlale kuma-international competitions, but kunamaphutha wakhe isikhathi esiningi. iMamelodi Sundowns bayishaya ngamaphutha, ayikho enye into bafowethu abayishaya ngayo. It's only ama-mistake wabo laphana kuMamelodi Sundowns abaluza ngawo. So from oGrant Kekana, I mean I remember i-moment, I'm sorry ukubuyela emuva, like i-moment ku-Champions League, the way they lost finally, you see ukuthi yeah, it's izinto ngempela abangazama ukuzi-avoid-a, but njalo ama-defenders weMamelodi Sundowns plus no-goalkeeper unokubagwinya kulona uRonwen Williams. I think uRonwen Williams naye is too relaxed. Ngihlezi ngisho ukuthi ufuna i-competition bafethu, like i-tough i-competition. Bheka o-goalkeeper beMamelodi Sundowns bakhona, abo-February, abo-Riyad, but-ke abadlali abantu akuphela unyaka obona ukuthi bakhona, uRabecca, u-understand. Banabo o-goalkeeper, angazi uWatenga ukuthi ukhona laphana kuMamelodi Sundowns, but u-goalkeeper wabo ngiyazi ukuthi bake bamlona ku-Golden Arrows, but I'm not sure if ukhona this season or bamuse kwenye indawo. But yeah, bayi-squad super talented, but ama-department wabo ayaxega kwezinye iy'ndawo, izinto kumele balungise. But no-Miguel Cardoso, there's no trust ngempela. Angiboni uMiguel Cardoso alide iMamelodi Sundowns serious. Khona into engifuna ukukhuluma ngayo before ngivale, uThapelo Morena ukhulume ngendaba yokudlala i-Remo Stars noma yini. Ushilo ukuthi kuzoba nzima kakhulu, it's gonna be a mental game more than a physical game, because of uyasho ukuthi i-game for bona izoqala immediately mabalenda laphana e-airport. Kusho ukuthi kumele babe strong ngempela for ukuthi bakwazi ukuthola ama-results. Ukhulume ngale ndaba lokuthi leya team leya ingenisa ama-fans mahhala. I mean 10,000 capacity laphana overall stadium, bazongena ama-fans azongena mahhala laphana, meaning that abantu abaningi bazoza e-stadium bazama uku-create i-hostile environment for iMamelodi Sundowns. But-ke sobona ukuthi bazoshape izinto kanjani kuMamelodi Sundowns. I mean banayo experience overall yokuthi bakwazi ukuwina nokwenza izinto nje laphana for iMamelodi Sundowns. But yeah, sobona ayiKenya bafethu, we just have to wait and see, sibone iMamelodi Sundowns iye ne-upper hand. Yiyo okumele ngempela ikwazi ukuthola ama-result laphana ku-continental level kumele bakhwalifaye for ama-group stages. Ngicela ukuyibamba lawa manje.